Hi guys, this is Dave the Sailor, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to test the MFHF DSC with the coast station. We are currently at anchor here in Cape Town, South Africa. As you can see the wonderful view of the Table Mountain. I also had a chance to visit the city and ride a red tour bus all the way up to the Table Mountain. There are so many incredible beaches and mountains, and also endless amount of fantastic people. It was really a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Okay guys, going back to the video. So guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to open the Admiralty Digital Radio Signals Volume 1, 3, 4, and 5. On the top left corner, we have the informations regarding radio stations, search and rescue, nav areas, nav directs, radio facts, and WMO stations. Click the radio station to view all the radio stations available. In our case, Cape Town radio station is the nearest. Now we have to select the coast station and get two important informations before we proceed. That is the MMSI number and the DSC frequency of the coast station. So over here we have the MMSI number, and down below we have the frequencies. Now that we have the MMSI number and the DSC frequency of the coast station, we can proceed back to our MFHF equipment. On our MFHF, we press the DSC button. And then we use the knob to navigate and select Test Message from the given options. And next, we have to enter the MMSI number of the coast station. MMSI number of coast stations normally starts with double zeros, as you can see over here. After that, we have to check if everything is correct before we send the message. Push enter and select the DSC frequency to be used using the knob. After that, we have to press enter and press call. The message will now be sent, and let's wait for the acknowledgement. And when the test message is acknowledged, you will hear this audible alarm. And now we have to press cancel to mute the alarm, and then press print to print the test report. That's about it guys. Thank you for watching.